Hello friends, welcome to Learn Code with Sankalp. In today's tutorial, we have discussed about core Java top frequently asked Java interview question. If you facing any Java interview, then in core Java section we have frequently asked 10 to 15 question that will be have discussed in this video. So watch this video till end so you can understand the concept of how to answer the core Java interview questions. So we have opened the slideshow. In slideshow we have making one highlighter. Okay, this is a top 50 core Java interview questions. Okay. Then second slide will be that why Java is not 100% object-oriented programming language. Okay, we have saying that Java is object-oriented programming language, but some Java interview question, interviewer will be asked that why Java is not 100% object-oriented. So we can answer like this because of primitive data type. Primitive data type like boolean, byte, char, int, float, double. This is the primitive data type. To make object oriented, we have to wrapper class that which actually wrap the primitive data type into the object class. Means we have to this primitive data type. And wrapper class means we have to make B capital, C capital, I capital, F capital, D capital, L capital, and S capital. This is primitive data type. We have to make the primitive data type to the our object class. We have to convert that wrap that class by using wrapper classes because that we have to not Java is the 100% oriented 100% object oriented language. The second question will be the why pointer not used in Java. It is very important question, guys. In C and C++, we have using pointer. In Java, we have not using pointer. Interviewer will be asked that why we have not using pointer in Java. Then we have to answer like that. They are unsafe. Literally, pointer will be unsafe. Mean the memory leak will be happen in pointer. It will be increase the complexity of the program. Since Java knows for its simplicity of code, adding the concept of pointer like it's not best practice. Means we have writing the Java code, we have using pointer. Then we have to Java is known as the simplicity simple language. If you are using pointer, then it will be complicated code. Because that we have not using the pointer. Third reason will be that since JVM is responsible for implicit memory allocation, that's order to avoid direct access to memory to the user. Pointer is not usually in Java. In pointer, it will be memory allocated by direct user. It will be not. Security purpose. It will be not best practice. So we have to using the Java. We are not using the pointer. Third question will be that what is JIT compiler in Java? JIT compiler stands for just in time compiler. Basically, we have to flow. Like we have one Java class, .java extension. Then it will be compiler compile that code, and it will be converted to the .class file. Okay. After converting to .class file, we have to run that code into the our machine. We have to convert that .class file to our machine language. At runtime, we have to JIT compiler, and after JIT compiler, we have to convert into native code. Means, at runtime, it will be the JIT compiler will be very useful. In this section, we have to JIT compiler is very useful because that JIT compiler we have to using in the Java. And after native code, we have it will be purely machine code. Okay, this is the concept of JIT compiler in Java. Next question will be that why string is immutable in Java? String is a means we have to variable like string. We have string like a employee means string employee is equal to Rahul. Okay. Then we have to one concept we have to defining as the employee Rahul. We have not any concatenate or any modification into the employee variable. So why it will be immutable? Then answer will be that string pool required string is immutable. Otherwise, shared reference can change form or anywhere. String pool required string to be immutable. Means when our string pool will be created object, it will be immutable. Means it will be not updated or not changed in any order in any other condition. This is uh, rule of string pool. Because that we have two string immutable in Java. We have two memory location, in string pool and one is heap. Okay. Then second reason will be that security. Because string is shared to different area like file system, network connection, database connection, having immutable string allow you to secure and safe because no one can reference to the string and get created. In many security project or any banking project, we have to defining database connection in the string. If you have to using the string unmutable, then will be database password will be sharing, or database password will be changing anywhere, anytime. Means hacker will be change the passwords or anything our secure data. Because that we have string immutable in Java. Second question will be that what is marker interface? It will be some typo guys here. Ignore that. It is my marker interface can define as interface would have no data member. Means we have to empty data. Empty interface is known as the marker interface. Okay, here you can see that. Here we have marker interface. Empty interface. There will be custom marker interface, no properties and no method. In simple term, we have to say that empty interface is called as marker interface. You can say that my marker interface. It is the empty interface. Okay, then we have create one marker interface, meaning my marker interface, and convert into the see the simple interface and convert it to the interface to the marker interface. We have to implement the my marker interface in the class. Okay, this is the simple term. We have to convert that means we have to implement that properties of the marker interface to the my class. Okay, then we have to use that properties like my class dot create check the interface and instead of market interface class this class having custom market interface treat this as special. Okay, this is the concept of market interface in the Java. In interface section, we have two interface, with two popular interface like serializable and clonable. This is the two main market interface in Java. Interview will be asked that what is the market interface and how like, some give some example of the market interface. Then you have to saying like that. This is the market interface and this is concept of market interface and you have example of that this market interface. Third will be question will be that can you override a private or static method in Java? Method, see guys, method overriding is good topic to ask tricky interview question. If you have 3 years or 4 years or 5 years Java interview Java developer, then it will be questions like that overriding and overloading. It will be confuse you and you have giving the wrong answer. So prepare that overloading and overriding question very carefully and you can interview will be for confusing section we have to interview will be asked that what is can we override the private or static method. The simple answer will be that you cannot override private or static method in Java. Then interview will be the counter question, why we can override private or static method in Java. So you can say that you cannot override private and static method subclass in subclass because it's not accessible there. What should you create private method with the same name and name in child class? Okay, we have created the private method, and it will be not accessible to subclass. Okay, and it will be not accessible subclass. Then what is the purpose of creating that method same name and same class? It will be different properties because that we have to not override private method in Java, override the private method in Java. And second will be static method. Static methods in you can create a similar method with the same return time and same method arguments in child class. Then it will be hide the superclass method. Then we have to one parent class and one child class, and we have static method, and we have to create same static method in the child class. Then it will be eliminate means it will be not ignoring the superclass method. So it will be known as the method hiding concept. This is the method hiding concept. Right? It is a very important, guys. We have method interviewer will be also asked the what is method hiding. Then we have to simply give the this answer. This is the answer of method hiding, guys. Then second will be the question will be the does finally always execute in Java? Final keyword you have no guys. The try catch and finally we have to using in final keyword we have to final keyword always working guys. Then we have to simply ask the interviewer in any condition we have finally block will be executive. This is our answer guys, but it will be some condition it will be wrong. Yes, finally like you execute it in Java, but in some condition it will be not execute. Means in our code we have to setting by system.exit. System.exit we have to any condition code will be break and system will be exit. Mean we have to exit from the code. And if the system crashes means we have to system means server or anything will be crash, then it will be code will be in mid range will be code will be not execute. This is known as the system crashing. So in the some scenario like system not exit and some system crash will be finally block will be not execute. Second question will be that what is the method in object class in Java? Okay, object class is the all all types of classes parent class is object class. What in object class we have to inbuilt method. For better application, we have to use the object class inbuilt method. Like protected object clone, which we have one object like employee object, and we have to perform some operation on the employee object, but we have to not modify the our main object. Then we have to clone that object and perform the operation of the cloning object. Okay, then it will be use the clone object. Create and return the copy of the object. Okay. Second will be that equals method. We have two strings or two any variables, and we have to compare that. Means user will we have one database password, and we have user will be entering the another password. Then we have to compare that and two passwords and provide the login function to the function to the or not to the user. Then we have to do the equals method in the object class. Second will be finalize method. It is called by garbage collector of an object. When garbage collection determines there is no difference of the object. Okay, this is finalize method. Object class method in Java. We have to another methods like object class, like get class, hash code, wait, toString, clone, equals, finalize, notify all, notify all. It will be third class method, guys. And hash code will be the parent class object class method. It will be creating the when hash code. Okay, wait class is also threading method, guys. Get class will be the getting the class name of that class. This is the get class method, guys. And the toString method will be the used for returning in a string object. Okay. Then second will be question will be that how can you make class immutable? We have learned earlier like string is immutable. Then we have one class like security classes, means we have the database connection class, or we have some very high sensitive classes. It will be make it immutable. So how we can immutable that class? It is a very important question, guys. Java developer question. So we can few steps like you have to determine that declare that class as final. It will be not actually extended. We have determined that class as final, means we have to by default it will be public class. Then we have defined the final class. It will be not extended anywhere. Make all fields private. Direct access will be not allowed. We have to some fields in the class. So make all fields private. Don't provide setter method to variable. Okay. Don't create the setter guys in that class. Make all immutable fields private and construction performing a deep copy. Okay, we have implemented fields private, means we have making private and then construction performing a deep copy. Okay, initialize all field as construction performing deep copy, means we have to using the constructor, means object creating by using only constructor, not a getter setter, not anything of that. Performing calling of the object getter setter method return the copy other than returning the actual reference. Means we have to one immutable class, then we have to clone that object, clone that class, then it will be not giving the main copy of that object, it will be return the actual reference object copy. Okay. Then second question will be that next question will be that what is singleton class and in Java, and how we can create the singleton class. Singleton class is the only one instance created by JVM, no other than. Then it is a very important question, guys. How we can create a singleton class in Java? Okay. Then I have one snap. This is a singleton class, guys. Firstly, we have giving the static variable, static insert variable. Then we have to private the constructor, private the instantiation. Means we have creating the constructor, but it will be private. Then we have to create a one get instant method and returning the singleton class. Means instance will be null, then create. And instance will be not null, then it will be return the same object. This is the concept of singleton class, guys. You have to verify this small code, guys. If you write the code inside the interviewer will know that you have understood the concept of singleton class, guys. Second, last, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you understand the concept of core Java interview question, guys. Okay, guys, thank you. If you like my video, then please subscribe my channel and press bell icon. Okay, guys, thank you. Bye.